This is May 1st, 2018. It is 5:59 p.m. We have been troubleshooting why the voice box on the AIY Voice Kit wasn't working, and it seems that the command in the terminal was not right. So we had to troubleshoot, and now Tamir is going to demonstrate how to use his AIY box.
Okay, everyone. So, this is my AIY, and I will show you how to use it. So, if you want to tell Google a command or ask it something, you just say, okay. It goes like this. Okay, Google, play me a song.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help.
Oh my, seems I did something wrong. Okay, Google, do something.
Sorry, do what?
Google, please play me a song.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that.
Okay. Okay, Google, what is the time?
The time is 6 o'clock.
What? Oh my. You are correct. Okay, Google, play me a song.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that yet.
Okay, Google, sing me a song.
Yes, I can sing. I like to help you, even if it's strange, so I sing.
Wonderful, amazing. Okay, Google, what is Bendy and the Ink Machine?
According to Wikipedia, Bendy and the Ink Machine is an episodic survival horror video game developed and published by the Meatly Games.
Wow, amazing. Okay, Google, who is Deadpool?
According to Wikipedia, Deadpool is a fictional character appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics.
Okay, Google, what time is it out in California?
The time in California is 3:01 p.m.
Oh my. Okay, Google, what is Black Panther?
Black Panther is a 2018 movie directed by Ryan Coogler, starring Chadwick Boseman, Michael B. Jordan, and Lupita Nyong'o.
Okay, Google, what is the difference between AI and a voice, regular voice?
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help.
I think I can do this.
Okay.
Okay, Google, what is the difference between an AI and a robot?
On the website ai.stackexchange.com, they say, an AI is a computer program designed for tasks normally requiring human intelligence, while a robot is a machine that completes complex tasks.
Okay, Google, when was the Constitution put into writing?
On the website constitutioncenter.org, they say, the Constitution was written during the Philadelphia Convention, now known as the Constitutional Convention, which convened from May 25th to September 17th, 1787. It was signed on September 17th, 1787.
Okay, Google, tell me about the Mayflower Compact.
According to Wikipedia, the Mayflower Compact was the first governing document of Plymouth Colony.
Thank you, Google.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Google. Okay, thank you, Google. Oh my, I said it at the wrong time.
Okay, Google, tell me the conversion for 2 liters of water.
Here's a summary from the website dictionary.com. Conversion of coal, water, and air into nylon. The act of obtaining equivalent value, as of money or units of measurement.
Amazing.
Conversion of francs into dollars.
Amazing.
This ends our demonstration of AIY Project. Tamir has worked very hard on this, and Mom is learning too, because I had to sit down and help him go through the steps
And I thank
of
Mom very much.
troubleshooting as to why the AIY voice kit was not working. As you can see, it's just a cardboard little box with a speaker and a little blue hat for the little, I guess, you see it flashing on and off. Anyway, Mom has learned a lot. This concludes our demonstration of the AIY Voice Kit box, the MagPi kit.